See that blurry background behind me? Well, I'm going to show you how that works on your camera and how you can use it for different situations. Let's get into it. What I'm talking about for this blurry background is Aperture. Aperture is really important, but a lot of people don't realize how it works, or it sounds very confusing when you first get into cameras and when you first get into all the other, jargon of cameras. So Aperture essentially means what your camera will see and how focused it be. The lower the number, so for example 1.8, which is what I'm recording on, you're gonna see that there's a lot more out of focus. So you'll see there's more background out of focus and you won't see as much behind, but you'll see whatever's closest to the camera or in its field of view. And that's how you get the really blurry backgrounds for cameras and all the other devices that have kind of that feature. But if you want to have something that's in focus, so if for example you want to have events or something where you want to get everyone in focus and you want to make sure that you're not just getting a few people that are in focus and everyone else is out of focus, you want to make sure your aperture is bigger. So you want to make sure it'd be at f22. So, well, maybe not f22, but you know what I mean, f10, higher numbers than what would be 1 or 2, which would be just for more so portraits and stuff. So in it, the easiest sense to is the highest the number is for more people, the lower the number is for less people, or for portraits and headshots and product photography where you want to have a blurry background. So just make sure you use that concept to understand Aperture and how to use it to your advantage in certain situations, because it'll change your photos, it'll change how you do things, and it'll mostly make sure that everything's in focus. Just for example, in a studio, you'd want to use f8, which means that you get everyone in focus, but you'll still get behind fade, but you'll also get everyone in focus. You get all the details of clothing you're wearing or your products or whatever. So you'd really want to make sure that Aperture is prioritized for certain situations. But ISO is also another thing, and ISO is what we will talk about in the next video. So thanks for watching. I hope you got tons of value and you liked it. So please comment and subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I have a lot of social media. I'd love to follow you, talk to some of you. And thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.